Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Very good morning. Am I audible and visible properly now? Sritoma is asking, how are you? I'm fine, Betu. How are you? Sritoma, how are you, beta? Okay. Yes, ma'am. Okay. So, let's start the class. Today I am here on behalf of your maths ma'am. So, today I will take your math class. Okay. So, you people already have done what is long and what is round. This chapter you have completed, right? And counting in groups. This chapter is going on, right? I am fine. Okay. So, please anyone responds me. Am I audible and visible properly now? Yes, okay. So, you just counting in groups, this chapter is going on and you have completed what is long and what is round. So, today we will discuss about something from your previous class, okay. So, I will ask a questions and there will be 3 options. You have to choose the right options only, okay. So, my first question is, which thing can roll? And the options are, options A is bat, options B is ball, and option C is book. There are three options: bat, ball and book. You have to identify the right option, okay. Yes, Betu, you have to write it in the copy. Ball, yes. Yes, you all are correct. Ball is the correct answer. That means option B is the correct answer. Which thing can roll? Answer is ball, okay. So, my next question, which thing can slide? And options are ball, marble and book. Option A is ball, option B is marble and option C is book. Which one is the correct answer? Book, yes. Option C. Option C is the correct answer. That means book is the correct answer. Book can slide among these 3. Now, book can slide. So, which thing can roll? Ball. And which thing can slide? Book. Okay. Is it done? Is it completed? Everyone has completed? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Now I am rubbing the board, okay? And now I am going to my next question. And that is, write the name of the thing which can roll and slide both. Okay, here is no option here, no option is here, so you have to write down the correct answer. No option is here, you have to write down the correct answer. Okay, and please everyone mute your microphone. Avronil Chaudhary, please mute your microphone. Avronil, please mute your microphone. Write the name of the thing which can roll and slide both. Now I am given the two options. Is it coin or is it ball or options? Option A is coin, option B is wheel, and option C is coin and wheel both. I think now is it okay for you? So you have to choose the correct answer. Option A coin, option B wheel, and option C coin and wheel both. Yes, option C, because coin can roll and slide both and wheel also can roll and slide both, na? So C is the correct answer, coin and wheel both. Okay. Okay. Now I am coming to the next questions, and that is addition. 42 plus 58. What will be the answer? 42 plus 58. 42 plus 58. Okay, Priyanshi, Mahia has responded. They answered me 100. Okay, let's see. (42 plus 58) 100. Okay. Yes, you people are absolutely correct. 42 plus 58 is 100. So number 5. One more addition. 13 plus dash is equal to 21. You have to put the correct number is here. 13 plus what is equal to 21. You have to put the correct answer is here. 13 plus dash or box is equal to 21. Yes, Betu, all of you are absolutely correct. It's 8. Devdeep, not 24. Please, 24. No. 13 plus 8. 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. Devdeep, add these two numbers. Add both the numbers 13 and 8. Add it. And see result will become with 21. isn't it? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. 8, 8. Yes, Devdeep, 8. 8 is the correct answer. Yes. Okay. So everyone has completed. I think everyone has completed. Just response me. May I rub the board? Okay. Thank you. Now I am going for some subtraction. Okay. (17 minus 4 is equal to 17 minus 4 is equal to 13. Yes, it's 13. Okay, 20 minus 5 is equal to 20 minus 5 is equal to, yes, 15. I'm so happy. You all are correct. Yes, yes, yes. It's 15. It's 15. Okay. Now coming to the next question. Give some examples of long and round loop things. Give some examples of long and round loop things. Answer. Long loop things. Long loop things are yes, pen, pencil, yes, yes, yes. Some more. Bat, hand, pen, tube light, leg, etc. Right? Yes, pen, pencils, all are correct. All are correct. Bat, hand, pen, pencil is also correct. Tube light, leg, etc. Okay. Long loop things are bat, hand, those things. Huh? Bat, yes, 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 yes. Correct. Bat is correct. Yes, absolutely. Any more answer? Those things looks like long. That's called long loop things. So bat, it's look like long. Pencil also, pen also. This is a pen and it looks like long, right? Long. So this is also called long loop things. Okay. Now I am rubbing the board. I am rubbing only this portion. Okay. Round loop things are Now give me the answer. Yes, ball. Yes. Ball is correct. Ball. Another. Coin. Yes. Ball, coin, wheel, globe. All are correct. Okay. Clock. Yes, clock also correct. Clock, etc. So round look things are ball, coin, wheel, globe, clock, etc. Okay. I hope you have completed this. Is it completed now? Yes, ma'am. Okay. I am rubbing the board. And now I am coming to the next part, which is very interesting, and this is draw. Draw the shapes. Okay. Rectangle, triangle, square and circle. Draw it. Draw it in your copy. Draw it in your copy. Rectangle, triangle, square and circle. Ma'am, can't see the board. Why? I think there are some problem in your device, beta. So please disconnect the line, okay, and again rejoin it. Everyone, draw it in your copy and take a snap and just attach it. Let me show. Okay. Everyone, draw these shapes in your copy and please take a snap and send it to me. I will check it out. You are able to draw it properly or not? I will check it out. You are able to draw it properly or not? Do it quickly, Betu, because time is going on and your next teacher is waiting for her class. Just draw the shapes in your copy. Priyanshi, just Priyanshi, you have to rejoin. Yes. And mention it. Which one is rectangle, which one is square, which one is triangle and circle. Please mention it. Please mention, Priyanshi, mention it, okay? Yes, Minajuddin. Rectangle, triangle, circle, square. Yes, you are correct. But square, you have not done square in a proper way. Rectangle, yes, square, triangle, circle. Yes, Mahiyat, It's okay. You are absolutely correct. Rishabh, rectangle, triangle, square, circle. Yes, you are also correct. Bikrant, you have to mention the name of the shape. Which one is rectangle, which one is triangle, which one is square, and which one is circle. You have to mention it. Okay. Otherwise, I can't able to understand that. Priyankshi, yes. Yes, now it's okay. Okay. So, rectangle is, this is rectangle, this is triangle, this one is square, and this is circle. Okay. So now your time is over, so I have to leave the class. Just see the Aniket's copy once. Aniket, yes. Rectangle, triangle, square, and circle. Yes, you are also correct. Okay, everyone, give your attendance here. Besides your name, just write down the P so I can understand those who are present in my class. So I will take the attendance from here to the register. Okay. Okay, Betu. Stay good and stay happy. Bye, all of you.